With the advent of folding tires, sometimes it's very difficult to get the bead to sit properly in the rim, and the tire will be unbalanced. In rigid tires, the bead is made of steel wire, which seats into the rim without any difficulty. But the bead in a folded tire is made of flexible Kevlar, which can take on kinks in the places where it's folded, making it more difficult to sit into the rim. If you're having trouble, or to prevent trouble, here's a simple trick. This was a particularly difficult tire to install, and I was about to throw it out when I discovered this trick. My rear fat tire with its hub motor is heavy, so I place it on a flat surface at a comfortable working height. I carefully place the inner tube evenly inside the tire to make sure it doesn't get twisted. Then I press the top bead into the wheel rim. With a paintbrush, I thoroughly cover the bead with soapy water on both sides. I'll be using my battery-operated tire inflator, and I'll be publishing a video about this tool soon. While the tire inflates, I squeeze it around its perimeter to ensure that the tube is distributed evenly inside the wheel and tire. I'll stop it at 10 pounds per square inch for the meantime. You'll see bubbles forming around the rim. That's simply the air between the tube and tire escaping. I put it back on the bike, and now you can see that it's not perfect, but there's a big improvement. I hope this trick will be of use to you. If you'd like more information about electric bikes or bicycle travel, visit my website www.robertebikes.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, never quit cycling.